Before we begin, I would like to warmly welcome every one of you to this channel and sincerely thank you for choosing to spend your valuable time with us today. Your time is precious, and by watching this video, you are making a powerful investment in yourself, your future, and your personal growth. This video is not only designed to help you improve your English speaking and listening skills, but also to help you understand one of the most important values in human life: trust. By watching this video carefully, you will gain many benefits. You will improve your English pronunciation by listening to clear and simple sentences. You will learn useful vocabulary and expressions for daily communication. You will practice speaking through repetition. And most importantly, you will learn how trust can transform relationships, build peace, and create a meaningful life. So this is not just an English lesson. This is a lesson about life, relationships, honesty, and human connection. Now take a deep breath, relax your mind, and let's begin. Today we're going to talk about a simple but powerful truth. Trust creates trust. Think about these words carefully. When someone trusts you, something changes inside your heart. You feel respected, you feel valued, you feel connected to that person, and naturally, you begin to trust them too. That is why trust is one of the strongest forces in human relationships. Trust is invisible, but its power is enormous. You cannot touch trust with your hands, but you can feel it deeply in your heart. Now let's practice some English sentences together. Repeat after me slowly and clearly. I trust myself. I speak honestly. I respect others. I build trust every day. Very good. Now let's go deeper. Imagine a family without trust. Parents do not trust children. Children hide the truth from parents. People stop communicating honestly. What happens? The family slowly becomes weak. People become distant from each other. Fear and misunderstanding grow. Now imagine the opposite, a family built on trust. People speak openly. People help each other. People feel emotionally safe. That family becomes peaceful and strong. This teaches us an important lesson. Trust is the foundation of peace. Without trust, relationships become unstable. With trust, relationships become powerful. Now repeat after me. I keep my promises. I act with honesty. I build peaceful relationships. Excellent. Let's think about friendship. A true friendship cannot survive without trust. If a friend constantly lies, breaks promises, or speaks badly behind your back, can you trust that person? No. And without trust, friendship slowly dies. But when a friend supports you honestly, protects your secrets, and stands beside you during difficult times, trust grows stronger every day. That is why loyal friendships are so valuable. Now think about your own life. Are you a trustworthy person? Do people feel safe sharing their thoughts with you? Do you protect the trust others give you? These questions are very important because your character is measured by your trustworthiness. Now practice again. I am trustworthy. I respect honesty. I protect trust carefully. I stay loyal to others. Very good. Now let's go even deeper. Trust is not built through big words. It is built through small daily actions. When you arrive on time, people trust your responsibility. When you speak truthfully, people trust your words. When you help someone sincerely, people trust your heart. So trust grows slowly, little by little, day by day. But sadly, trust can break very quickly. One lie can damage years of trust. One betrayal can create deep pain. This is why honesty is one of the most important qualities in life. Now let me tell you a meaningful story. There were once two business partners who worked together for many years. One partner was intelligent and skilled. The other partner was simple but extremely honest. Many people respected the honest partner more. Why? Because people trusted him completely. One day, their business faced a serious financial problem. Many workers became afraid. Some people lost hope. But the honest partner spoke calmly and truthfully to everyone. He said, "We will face this problem together honestly and patiently." Because people trusted him, they stayed united. They worked hard together, supported each other, and slowly solved the problem. Years later, people still remembered him. Not because he was rich, not because he was powerful, but because he was trustworthy. This story teaches us something very important. People may forget your money. People may forget your success, but they rarely forget honesty and trustworthiness. Now think about another important idea. Trust is also connected to self-confidence. If you do not trust yourself, you will fear every challenge. You will doubt your abilities. You will avoid opportunities. But when you trust yourself, you become stronger. You become calmer. You become more confident. Self-trust gives you courage during difficult times. That is why you must build trust both inside yourself and with others. Now repeat after me slowly. I believe in myself. I trust my abilities. I face challenges with courage. I grow stronger every day. Excellent. Let's go even deeper into human relationships. Trust creates emotional safety. When people trust you, they feel relaxed around you. They do not fear judgment. They do not fear betrayal. This creates healthy relationships. But when trust disappears, fear enters the relationship. People begin hiding things. People become defensive. People stop communicating honestly. And slowly, relationships break apart. That is why protecting trust is extremely important. Now think carefully about your words. Do your words create trust or destroy trust? Sometimes a single sentence can hurt someone deeply. So always speak carefully, honestly, and kindly. Now practice again. My words create trust. I speak with kindness. I respect people's feelings. I create peace through honesty. Very good. Now let's understand another important truth. Trust requires patience. You cannot force someone to trust you immediately. Trust must be earned through consistent actions. That means you must stay honest even when nobody is watching. You must keep your promises even when it is difficult. You must stay loyal even during hard times. That is true character. Now imagine a world without trust. No one would believe each other. No one would feel safe. Relationships would become cold and painful. But trust brings people together. Trust creates unity. Trust creates peace. Trust creates strong families, strong friendships, and strong communities. Now take a deep breath and repeat after me one more time. I live with honesty. I protect trust carefully. I create peace in my relationships. I become a better person every day. Excellent. At the end of this video, remember one powerful truth. Tashed, trust creates trust. When you live honestly, respect others, keep your promises, and stay loyal, people naturally begin to trust you. And when trust grows, relationships become stronger, life becomes more peaceful, and your heart becomes happier. So never play with trust. Protect it carefully, because once broken, it can take years to rebuild. Keep learning English, keep improving your character, and keep moving forward in life with honesty and wisdom. Thank you again for watching this video and supporting this channel. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.